Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to read the book If You Ever Want to Bring a Piano to the Beach, Don't. I think this is going to be a silly book. Alright, so while we're reading our book today, I want you guys to think about what you are seeing in the book, okay? So see who is in our book, our people, our characters, where our book takes place, okay? So the setting, and then what we see in the book. So things that we see in the book as well. So right off the bat, if we just look at the cover, I think there's going to be a little girl is going to be one of our characters. The thing that I see is a piano. And our place that we're going to be, where is going to be at the beach. All right, let's get started and let's go read our book. If you ever want to bring a piano to the beach, don't. So today I am going to be providing aided language input using the WordPower vocabulary. This is a poster-sized vocabulary. You can print these off for free from Satilla's website. Go to at BasicAC's YouTube channel and we show you exactly how to do this. And then also you can get one from your consultant. So if you contact your Satilla consultant, they can send you a poster. But that's what I'll be providing aided language input on, and the repeated words that I'll be providing in language input for are you and don't throughout the book most of the time. Okay, so if your mom says to get ready to play at the beach, she means with a boat or a frisbee or a shovel. She is not talking about the piano. If you roll out the piano anyway, she'll tell you you'd better not lose it. You'll tell her that it's okay. You will hold on tight to your piano and keep it neat and clean. And you'll even promise to push it to the beach yourself. Cross your heart. Whew. I think this might be a problem. Pianos are big and heavy. Do you think that little girl is going to be able to push it all the way to the beach? But on the way, your arms will get heavy. It's a problem. Then your legs will get draggy. So you'll find the perfect way to move the piano along. Oh no. I think this is going to be another problem. Now the mom's actually having to get the piano to the beach. I do not think that she's going to be happy. No, no. When you feel rested, you will push again. I don't think it's really when she was rested. I think it's more like mom was telling her that she had to. Once you're at the beach, you we'll need to make sure the piano still works. Because you still want it to play, that's why you brought it. And finally, you'll stop for a lunch break. The seagulls will want to share your egg and cheese sandwich. Guys, I think there's going to be another problem. Ah! Oh no! All of the seagulls came over to eat her sandwich. Oh, she is not happy. This, you know, is not good. Good for the piano. But you know just what to do. Bath time. So why does the piano need a bath? If you look close, the seagulls started to make a nest and bring seaweed and everything else onto the piano. So now it's dirty. It needs to get a bath. But let us think. Do we put pianos? Do we put them in the water? What do you think? Is that good for a piano? You will splish, you'll splash. The piano will bob up and down and up and down. Then up and away. This is another problem. The piano is in the ocean. And out of reach. No. By now, of course, you'll wish that you had played with a boat or a frisbee or a shovel at the beach instead of the piano. By now, you'll wish you had played with your baby sister instead of the piano. You'll be so mad you will want to just go home. Well, here's what I would do if I were you. What do you think she's gonna do? Maybe ask for help? Let's see. Borrow your brother's fishing line and cast it far, far out to catch your drifting piano. I wonder what will happen. Do you think it will work? Then, when you reel the line in, you might get your piano back. Or you might get... What do you think she will get from the ocean? Let's think about things that could be in the ocean that she could hook with her line. Maybe a fish, maybe a boot sometimes, maybe a bird, could be a boat, or a frisbee, or a shovel. Yeah, if you ever want to bring a piano to the beach, don't. you might lose it. Uh-oh. But you never know what you might find. She's still happy, even though she lost her piano, because now she has a seashell. And then you see the piano drifting off and out into the deep, dark ocean. The end. All right, so when we started to read our book, I talked about thinking about what we see, right? Well, one of the things that we saw was a piano. So I'm going to attach this to the link under the video. Print this off and you can think and describe one of our story elements. So one of the things in our book was a piano, right? That's what she took to the beach. So I want you to describe your piano. So you can come up with verbs like we play a piano. You can go to your groups and tell us that a piano is a type of music or instrument. You can then describe our piano. So we could talk about how it's big. Maybe the color is brown. All kinds of things. But I want you to fill in these little circles and talk about the piano. Okay? So thank you for joining me for reading the book. If you ever want to take a piano to the beach, don't. And then have fun describing a piano and thinking about all the ways that we could talk about it, okay? All right, bye.